Hi, I'm Charles Lindsay. I'm an artist and researcher probing the territory where art, science, and technology converge. My practice spans immersive installations, soundscapes, photographic interventions, and experimental media. My project, Please Forget Everything, is a meditation on memory, consciousness, and what it means to let go. It's about embracing the noise, the static, and celebrating the absurd. It's about questioning the narrative and asking, what happens when we release control? Through installation, sound and image, I'm exploring the borderlands between technology and nature, the digital and the human, dreams and data. My work lives in that space where logic unravels and intuition takes over, where forgetting becomes a kind of freedom.